Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I'm just gonna have a quick tutorial and show you guys how you can create that awesome, or I don't know awesome, but you've seen it all over the internet, and that's that Vogue trend that's been going on TikTok, Instagram, and all over social media. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop into Photoshop and just show you a quick way how you can create it for your own photos. So without further ado, let's just hop into the computer. Okay, so in the computer, just hop onto Google and just type in Vogue logo PNG. That's what I did. And then go to images. And at images, you just search for one you like. I like this. I just clicked on this one because it looks cool with the Paris in the O. So, okay. So all you gotta do is save it to your computer and then drag it into Photoshop. That's what I did. And then you get your image ready that you want to put the Vogue logo on top of. And all you have to do is press on this move tool and drag this whole image across to your image. Okay, so you can see this one's a bit small, so all you have to do is hit Control T on a Windows and just drag it to scale that you want and move it around. I think I'm just gonna put it on top, like how the magazines usually look. Just gonna make it a bit bigger. Maybe like that, I think, and then you press enter. Okay, as you can see, there's this white kind of ugly looking background of the logo, and that doesn't look good. So what you're gonna do is come over here where at the moment it says normal. Just gonna click on that and just turn it into multiply. Or if that doesn't work, just go through each of these things or options and just search for one that looks right for you. But at the moment, multiply looks the best, so I'm just gonna click on that. And maybe I'm just gonna press Control T again and holding Shift, just drag this thing down a bit just to create a more longer effect. I think that looks good, pressing enter. And okay, so now you can see here, just on top of the head, there's this weird overlapping that happens, and I think that doesn't look really professional. So what we're gonna do is just go to your tools and press on this polygon lasso tool. Just click on it and then you can zoom in. Now that you zoomed in, all you have to do is create a mask layer on this layer, and with that start selecting all the stuff you want to remove. Just gonna do a quick job, maybe starting here and just going all over the image, that everything you want to be deleted. And then all you have to do is come down and make sure your brush is on black, because the background of the mask is white. So all you have to do is paint on black and everything will be deleted. As you can see, that looks awesome. So then you can zoom out and see how it looks. I think that looks cool. So we can bring back the opacity to full and press Control D to deselect. And I think that looks awesome. So there you have it, guys. That's a quick tutorial on how you can create the Vogue logo on all your photos. You can apply these principles to basically any photo. This is a very useful tool to use. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that short little tutorial I gave on how to create the Vogue logo in all your photos, or even how to edit it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and even leave a comment down below what you think or what you want to see next. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Peace.